Alright, let's get spooky in the kitchen. Today, I'm making vegan Halloween brownies fudgy chocolatey topped with a pumpkin swirl. Trust me, everyone's going to love them, plant-based or not. Preheat oven to 350 degree ice. Line a baking pan with parchment paper. In a big bowl, I whisk together 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Dry ingredients done. Now, for the wet stuff. 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it all up until it's super smooth. Time to combine. I pour the wet mix into the dry ingredients. Stir everything until just combined. Don't overmix, just enough so there's no dry flour left. Then I fold in half a cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. Now let's make it Halloweeny. Half a cup of canned pumpkin, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. That's my pumpkin swirl. I spread the brownie batter into the pan, then dollop the pumpkin mixture on top. Using a knife, I swirl it around to make some spooky patterns. Think spider webs or just wild swirls, whatever feels festive. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out mostly clean. Let them cool completely before cutting. Seriously, the hardest part is waiting. And there you have it, fudgy, rich vegan brownies with a pumpkin twist. Perfect for Halloween. These are so good, even your non-vegan friends will be asking for seconds. Happy haunting and happy baking.